Hello viewers, you can see in this video how we are repairing the surface. So this is the material is called Rendroc FC polymer modified fairing mortar to cover surface imperfections 0 mm to 3 mm thickness. The uses Rendroc FC cementitious fairing coat is designed for application in thin layers up to 3 mm to produce a fair-faced appearance to concrete surfaces or masonry surfaces in readiness to receive a protective coatings or left exposed. It can also be used in association with other Rendroc mortars under correct conditions. The product does not require an independent primer or curing membrane. Okay, so let's talk about the advantages. Excellent bond to the concrete surface, easy to use, no independent primer or curing membrane necessary, can be left exposed or over coated with suitable coatings, pre-blended to overcome site batched variations. Only the site addition of clean water is required. Okay, contains no chloride admixtures, respirable crystalline silica, hazard free. Okay, we have to mix thoroughly. Mixing care should be taken to ensure that Rendroc FC is thoroughly mixed until it gets homogeneous color. So application voids blow hole 3 mm to 30 mm deep and no more than 25 mm in diameter should be separately filled as a prior to operations using Rendroc FC and allowed to initially set. Okay, now then apply the mixed Rendroc FC to the prepared substrate by steel trowel from a feather edge. So before this we have to apply this bonding agent, okay, for proper bonding, as you can see in this video. So like this we have to damp the surface. Okay, so then it will never come out. So for that reason we are doing this sprinkling of bonding NATO bond air. Okay, so like this damp, the surface is completely damp. Okay, then remember, do not proceed with the application when rainfall is imminent unless in a sheltered or protection situation. Okay, so now apply the mixed Rendroc FC as you can see in the video using this trowel. Okay, from a feather edge up to 3 mm thickness. It should be applied with the minimum of working and be allowed to partly set before finally troweled to a smooth finish. If a very well smooth finish is required, a small amount, see, it cannot come out. If we add this bonding agent, it cannot come out. You can see with the hand of this person. So for that reason we are applying this bonding agent prior to application of this Rendroc FC and also mixing the bonding agent in the Rendroc FC. Okay, so this is the practical demo for you guys to understand, and this will give good elegancy and good finishing for the surface substrate. So like this. Okay, and immediately we have to utilize this one. Okay, don't leave it for long time. Note, other than when filling blowholes as described above, the maximum applied thickness of Rendroc FC is 3 mm. So this is applicable up to only 3 mm. Okay, and Rendroc FC does not require any form of curing in moderate ambient conditions, but under strong drying conditions curing may be necessary. In this case, Rendroc FC should be cured immediately after finishing in accordance with good concrete practice. So the use of Nitobond AR spread on the surface of the finished Rendroc FC in a continuous film is recommended. So we will apply this once it is finished. This one you can see in the video. Okay. So this is a supply. We will talk about the supplies. Rendroc FC 20 kg bags available, and approximately 12 liters 20 kg bag, 4 square meter at 3 thickness. So this is completely finished this application. Okay. So now Rendroc FC, this one, the use of Nitobond AR spread onto the surface of the finished Rendroc FC, as you can see in this video, in a continuous film is recommended. Okay. So in the same way we have to apply this Nitobond AR before application of Rendroc and after application of Rendroc. So this will not come out. It will stay for long time and durable. Okay. So for that reason we have to apply this Nitobond AR in the same way you can see in this video. If you want to apply any the decorative finish after the Rendroc FC, maybe overcoated with a protective barrier decorative coating after a minimum of 48 hours. Fosroc recommendations: the use of deck guard range of protective coatings like Nitocoat EPU, Nitocoat. This is a PU coating also. Whatever it is, you can apply and let least keep it for 48 hours. Okay. So let's talk about the storage. Rendroc FC has a shelf life of 18 months if kept in the original unopened bags. So do not use if there are lumps in the product, okay, or a loss of workability. So required more water to be added is experienced. So remember, in all cases, Rendroc FC powder must be added to water along with the Nitobond AR. So I hope you understand, viewers. This Rendroc FC is available in the market. Okay. So this is the main design criteria for Rendroc FC. Cementitious fairing coat is designed for vertical and overhead use of infill, blowholes, honeycombing and voids up to 3 deep in the surface of concrete. So surface imperfections up to 3 in depth can be filled with the scrap coat application as we shown you in the video. Okay. Voids, blowholes 3 to 30 deep and no more than 25 in diameter should be separately filled as a prior to operations of Rendroc FC. Okay. So like this curing, the use of Nitobond AR is spread onto the surface of the finished Rendroc FC in a continuous film is recommended. Okay, we have to apply like this. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.